component data is coming and it is getting listed. Okay. So till here it is working for everyone. Today video will upload today. Okay. So now what we are going to learn? First we are going to learn the routing. Since multiple components are there, we have a user, we have next call, book list, we have item list. Okay. So these all the components should organize properly. It should have a hyperlink. When we click on that, then only it should load. It should not load directly. Okay. It should not load directly. Once suppose we click on user, user should come. Click on product, product should come. According to click, the component should load. Okay. All the components should not come directly. Yeah, madam. Yeah, hello. $4 hours. After that, we need to create the email ID. Okay. Existing one will not work, right? Okay, we have to create here separate. Okay. Okay. No, thank you. No problem. You can, I will give the rating. Okay. Next, after this, come to the our project folder. In project folder, we need to install one library. That library name is React Router DOM. Library name is React Router DOM. React Router DOM. So we'll go to the terminal. In VS Code, you can go to the new terminal, and under the new terminal, under the new terminal, we have to type npm install React Router DOM. Let me guide you. So come to your terminal part. It's taking long time here to open the panel, control panel. Okay, I can run through terminal also. You can go to the terminal. From there also you can run npm install react hyphen router hyphen dom. npm install react router dom. npm install react router dom. This one you are running under the project folder, not out of the project folder. npm install react router dom. Hope it is going on. Slow. Completed installation. If installation is completed, let's come to our VS Code. In VS Code, you will go to the app.js file. In app.js file, first you will be importing those important library. Import hash router, hash router routes route link. To set up a routing, these all four are required, that we will call from the React router DOM. Okay, hope imported. Hash router routes route link. from this path. Save this. After that, next after that, you can see here we have written call empty tag. The empty tag you are going to replace with a hash router. Empty tag replace with hash router open and hash router close. Like the HTML tag. Like the HTML tag. Okay, hope no error or any error. No error. My user, my book, my info, something. No error. Now for now, I will be deleting these two components from here, info and header. Directly we will write here some ULLI to create the link. ULLI inside that you will use the link tag. Link to you have to give. Like how we write AHR here. Similar way here is the link to user books product user books product. 3 links. Info header, those we are not using now, we can use it, but let's understand the flow first, how will happen in the routing. Let us check in the browser, anything. Menu will have 3 links will come here. 3 links appear, no problem. Now go to the links right here. If it is a slash user, then user component will come. If it is a slash book, book component will come. If it is a slash product, then product component will come. User, book, and then product. Item is there. Yes, we can write here. No, list link can be anything. The link what you are writing href is like the href. It can be anything. Assume this is the path you are creating. You are creating a URL for this. Okay. So no problem. Let's write it. Okay. Hope ready. Save the file. Go to the browser and click on the link. Save the file. Go to the browser and click on the link. After clicking on link, check now URL is changing or not. After clicking on link, you can check once URL is changing. Okay, so hope URL will get changed if you click on the link. If you click on the link, URL is changing or not? URL is changing. Whichever the link we click, the URL should change accordingly. Now, if URL is getting changed, the page data also should change. If URL is changing, the page data also should change. It should not be like URL change and page data remain same. So please check once. Hope URL should change for everyone. क्या हुआ शशांक? क्या हुआ? झाड़ू क्यों लगा रहा हो? झाड़ू लगाने वाली आती है ना? The URL is changing, right? Okay, so if URL is changing, then we are on track. Okay, if URL is changing, then we are on the track. Someone send the error, got not working. What is not working? npm install react router DOM, not found. React router is there. Yeah, you have written doubter. It's a React router. You have written React router. Who is that? Anusa. Is not called doubter. React router. R-O-U-T-E-R router. Okay. So hope you are fixing that. You can run npm install react router DOM. Router. R-O-U-T-E-R router. Now let's come down. So the link is ready. Link is ready. On the click of the link, the URL is changing. Now if the URL gets changed, the page also has to change. Look there, if you click on user, what is the URL? Slash user. If you click on books, what is the URL? Slash book. If you click on product, what is the URL? Slash product. Okay, slash product. Next, after that, we need to go here and we have to open the parent tag. Parent, you can say component, that is called ROUTES, roots. Roots will open in the beginning and roots will get closed in the last year. Roots open and roots close. Do that. Roots open and roots close. Okay, roots open, roots close. Now coming down, roots open, roots close, coming down. For each line, we have to write a condition. We have to check what is the browser URL. If in browser URL, if it is slash user, Then it should load the my user component. If in browser URL, if it is the slash book, it should load the book list component. In browser URL, if it is the slash product, it should load which one? My item. So for that, let's go and write the route exact space path equal to slash user. Then call a element equal to name of the element that is called my user and should get closed like this. Okay, this line look little difficult, but once we start writing, we will become used to of that. Write again for next route exact space path equal to book. Then exact path is slash book. Then element equal to book list element and slash should come in the last. Here also route exact space path equal to slash product, then element equal to ready. Okay, hope written. Save the file. Let's look into the browser. Click on the link and check whichever the link you are clicking, that page only load or different page is getting load. That page is loading or other page is getting load. According to click, the link page has to load. Whichever the link we click, the page should load. Working cool. For you, what is the name? Name is called Anusa. Working or not working? Hmm? Shikra. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, madam, I have sent the email. I got a reply as well. Yeah. Okay. No, both learning levels.
Excuse me, sir.
Error. Okay. 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 So hope it's work for everyone. No anyone have the error? Nested routing, I will guide you not today, after some days. Once you understand some more point. Okay. Okay, so click here and check once. Pages are low. Now come to the header file. Not header file, this is the UL, LI and all. So we can go to the index.css file and we have written for header and info here there, right? So container is okay, container was fine. A header.li was something, remove those CSS, we can write something better. Info block was somewhere, those all is not required, remove that. We can write a small CSS for the ULLI. UL and LI, UL background, UL background, dark blue, and after that padding somewhere 20 pixel, then margin 0px, padding 20px, margin 0px, ULLI, after that ULLI display colon inline, display colon inline, DISPLY display colon inline. After that display colon inline. Save now, it will come in same line. Then we can write a class called mylink. For that we can add a color colon white and text decoration called none. Text decoration was none. Add CSS quickly. Add the CSS quickly. Right, hook ready. Save that. This look like this, normal navigation. Some CSS we have to add. Already CSS is added. Just for the LI, we need to apply this one. We have written the class. Okay, 20 pixel become more padding. You can reduce that to 10px for the UL. And for LI also we need to add some padding. Top 10px, left right 30px, bottom also 10px. Save it now. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the again HTML part. In HTML part, that is called our app.js file, we have to call this class. What is the class name? MyLink. So CSS, hope you have written, is a teeny CSS, few lines of CSS. Now I will share this CSS in your chat. This CSS I have shared in the chat. Next, after that, whoever are not working, they can use this much. Hash router to hash router. CSS code also I sent in the chat. HTML code is also sent in the chat. You must install the upper portion. Which one? React router DOM. Then you can call it. Okay. Now for the link tag, you have to apply a class. Class name equal to MyLink. MyLink. Class name equal to MyLink. Class name equal to MyLink. Okay, hope added. MyLink, any kind of color combination is coming. White color. When you click those links, then the pages will open. When you click those links, then the pages will open. So hope according to click, your pages are loading. Here is the CSS. This, the complete code is this much only, where you have added the everything. Arun, what is your problem? You said not working. Please replace that code I have sent you. Hope it should work. Not Aroj, Konda. Konda Raju. You have one more page. Which page? City. City page is there. Please add that also here. Please add your city page as well. Please add your city page as well and then check. So work or not. What is happening in this file? Number one, we have created some component we imported here. Number two, using the link tag. Link tag come from the React router DOM. Using that, we can create the hyperlink. href, how it works, same way. Link tag. Using the link tag, your page will not reload. Using href, the page will get reload. So we have used the link tag. After that, inside the link tag, we have given the path as a two. User, book, and product. This is a path. Then below we wrote the condition in browser URL. If the path is /user, then which component should come? my user component. In browser URL, if the path is slash book, then which component should come? Book list. In browser URL, if there is a path call in browser URL, if the path is slash product, then which component should come? My product. Correct? Hope clear and working. Now, one small task for you. You create one more page, okay? Call about. Create a page called about. After that, import the page here. Listen properly, okay? Create a component called about component. Inside, you can give about us, my about function and anything. After creating the component, import the component here. After importing the component, create a link here, call about, give the text as about us, and add one more condition here. If it is about, then about page will load. Possible? Possible, then please try it. Even I will also write, but after 2-3 minutes. First, your task, create a component about, import here, and generate a link here and add under the roots. So that when we click on about us, about page will load. Just for your practice purpose. Try 2-3 minutes quickly, even I will write after that. Okay, so hope you added. Right, page is coming. Working, cool. Okay, next functionality, we start from where? Next functionality, we are going to create one more component. There we will understand a nested map, a map inside map. Okay, we will understand a map inside map. How the map function work on nested level. How the map function work on nested level. So create a component, give the component name called customer. Under the basic folder, customer. Under the basic folder, create a file called customer.js. Customer.js. Customer.js file. Now we need to import React also everywhere so that it will follow the proper structure. Import React from React. Import React from React. Now write a constant my customer my customer export default my customer return a division. What is the class we are written in CSS? Class is my container. My container. class name my container. Division H1 customer list city wise customer list. City wise customer list. Okay, hope ready. Now go inside this component and create one array of user where data will be in nested array. City Bangalore user all user Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi. Okay, hope ready. Now let's go here. Print the length of that. How many users you have? User dot length. Oh, page is ready. We can come to the app.js file. Again, we'll do the linking. Then if link will happen, page will display, then we'll come, we'll add here the data and we'll use the nested routing. So ready, hope ready, right? So we'll go to the app.js file. Import, what is the component name? My customer. Import my customer from customer. Next, after this, customer. My customer. Page is loading. Check now. Customer link will come. If you click on that, the page should load. Six city-wide customer list. 6 city-wise customer list. Okay, next task is routing is done. Next, we have to come to the component file and we need to understand the next level of map function. Ready? Come next. Next, customer page. In customer page, let us display the list of customer first. You will use here user dot map info comma index. Add arrow method. Come inside. Write the return. Return division, not division, it should be filled set. Open close legend. Info.city. And for field set, key property is required. Not sure whether we have added in other component or not. We have not added anywhere key property. Okay, so see, you need to add here a key property. What is that key property? Okay, first try without key. We will discuss on key property. Okay, ready. You are able to see the list of city. See, list of city is coming in field set. List of city will come in field set. HTML tag to create a block with border. This is HTML tag. It will help you to create a block with border. Border and border title. Legend will create the title. Field set will create the block. Okay, fine now. Go ahead next. Add some users now for from each city. Suppose Alex and Gandhi both belong to Bangalore. Mohit and Ajit and Raju belong to Mumbai. Next, Santosh, Anil, and Bandhu belong to where? Those people belong to Chennai, Pune. Sanmukh, Mane belong to Chennai. Kinjal, Sohit, Madan belong to where? Kolkata. Siaram, Ranveer belong to Delhi. Now this data has to list in the proper manner. The user belong to respective city when we are creating a list. Okay, hope you're ready. List of users. Now go here. And in Bangalore, how many users are there? We have to print here the length. So in Bangalore, we have total info dot all user dot length. It will give you the user, how many user from which city. How many user from which city? Number is coming. Now, what are the users are from which city? Their name should print below. What are the user belong to which city? Their name should print below. Ready? Now come down. use a map function. Inside the map function, info dot all user dot map. Info dot all user dot map. Name of the user, index of the user. This we can keep as a index 2. Okay. Return p tag. Hit the name there. Index also. Index 2 we need to print here. Check now. Hope it should print all the users city wise. Page is loading. The next task is wait for some time. 11:31. You can sit. You can sit for some time. Okay. Next task is in one line, 3 field set has to come. It should not go to the new line, new line, new line. Using the CSS, we can manage it. So let's come to the, if it is working, we will go to the file call. We will go to the file call index.css file, and for field set, we can write some CSS. Okay, come to the index.css file. Error, no error, right? In index.css file, for field set, you can write a CSS margin of the field set 1%, padding of the field set 1%, width of the field set only 20%, and float as left, and border 2px, solid green color, or maybe instead of solid you can keep dashed 4 pixel, you can write green color. So field set will come side by side, and it will have margin and padding also, and border will come as a dash dash dash. Oh, it's went something here there because of less and more content. No problem. We can give some minimum height, mean height, 200 px, and check once. Mean height 200 px will be okay. It will fit one after this. Coming. For legend, you can write something. Padding 10 px, background color is a green, and color is a white. This is for legend. Look similar. The study project is set up or not? Project is set up. Then hope you have finished till yesterday. Today what we learn, you need to sit and do that. It's an important part. Okay, then we'll see you again tomorrow. So till today, today what we learn, routing, correct? So this routing you must implement in your two project. One project after the class before evening, tomorrow one more project we have. In that also implement the routing. Create the page called home, about, contact, register. Okay, and on the click of the links, the pages should load. In that single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. See, practice can help you better. If you not do practice, in online class, a person can guide you, a person can force you, right? But a person cannot ask a finger to come and sit and do here, right? So even we have to understand market has competition, and in that competitive world, to survive properly, we need to have a proper knowledge. Only knowledge can make you winner, nothing else. Okay. If you have knowledge, everyone will like you. If you have no knowledge, no one will like you. Okay, so make sure you should not miss those points. That is the factor where the people is going to like and dislike. Okay, so knowledge is important. So now suppose one example I have created. The ambitious people, the people have a proper plan, career plan, right? Please sit in a home. One project yesterday, as per the yesterday guidance, you are supposed to have one project. In that you set up the routing again today. npm install react router DOM you have to do. Remember how to install that. npm you can write somewhere. npm install react router DOM. npm install react router DOM. That installation is important part. You need to install that, and after installation, what setup we did in this project, similar setup you have to do in another project. And after that you must do twice. Okay, not one time, do two times. Okay, 100% sure you will remember it. In interview some people will get rejected, and in interview some people will get selected. It is not necessary that the person who took interview, okay, he know one person who talk interview, he don't know other person. Okay, person, right? Anyway, your wish. Fine. See you tomorrow. Thank you for your time.